So guys, welcome back to another brand episode of Stephen Hauser. Stephen Hauser just posted a very beautiful and amazing pics on his official social media account, and you can see that these pics are so amazing and lovely, just shared by our plus Stephen Hauser for his lovely fans and followers. You can see that he just weared a white dress which he is looking so beautiful and very beautiful. As you know that he always chooses such a beautiful dress for his living, as you know that currently he is Greece and think to spend some time here after a long time here, because he has done a recent concert in this country and soon he will go for hometown Croatia, where he will meet parents and spend some time with his mother and enjoying Croatia beautiful places. And that was our today video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to watch latest updates, upcoming updates and daily lifestyle videos of Stephen Hauser. So guys, see you in the next video. Keep supporting. Love you all. Bye bye.